Alright, good morning YouTubers. This here is Cliff with Jam Mechanics Scale Modeling. I'm going to do unboxing of the snap-tite 57 Chevy Bel-Air. I've already got the color picked out for it. This is the model that is for my girlfriend's daughter. It's her dream car, so she's the one who actually gave me the idea for it. So let's see, that should be. So here it is. Of course, I don't have my little knife here. Well, let's really put a little. There we go. We got it open. Alright, pulling the cellophane off for the first time. Draw it off to the side. Of course, I probably didn't need to do that. Wow. Alright, so it says the Snap Max, so we'll see what we got in here. Alright, so the vehicle is molded in black, which that's not too bad. Open it up. The frame is also in here as well as the window glass. Ooh, yeah. Shiny. Alright, so we got wheels, axles, windows, and lights. Like I said, the frame. Actually, believe it or not, detail on that, I could do quite a bit. It'll make it easy. It'll make the actual speed of the build should go pretty quick, especially being a snap-tite. Ooh, screws and axles. Tires, which I might possibly do some different tires. And like I said, the body doesn't look too bad. Should go together halfway decent. Like I said, I'll have to scuff this up with a little bit of sandpaper so I can paint it the color that I want. Over here is 50s aqua green, so that's the color that she wants it. So that's the color it's gonna get painted. It's, yeah, I'll probably do a pink on there as well, maybe like a two-tone. We'll see. Oh yeah, even though it's already red, I can always change the color of this. Red interior, gauge panel doesn't look too bad. Should be able to detail halfway decent. Here's all the chrome pieces, real simple. I can make that look real, no problem. And strip it down and shoot it with some actual chrome paint. Alright. Wow. Door panels are pretty big, so they should be easy to detail. Seat backs and stuff, that would be pretty easy too. So we got the instructions, typical Revell instructions. Goes down the breakout or breakthrough, yeah, breakdown, different colors, how to put everything together. Should be pretty much, don't necessarily need the instructions, but yeah, so let's see what the decal sheets got. Oh, ain't that special. Well, we got some flame stuff and whatnot, but these stickers will probably go on. Oh wow, okay. So they got like a kid sticker thing, and they have regular decals. That's awesome. That's pretty cool. So you can use whatever, get another one, get decals. And yeah. So we'll definitely be sanding this down a little bit. Spraying it with a little bit of white primer. Solid. Not gonna lie, it's pretty solid, pretty glossy. So, but it does say snap kit, so I mean, it is what it is. I'll just do what I've got to do. Add my own flavor to it, and go from there. So definitely looking forward to doing this, but like I said, the detail I could get into is pretty good for being a snap-tite model. I mean, at least they give you the, you know, so I could always just paint that chrome and do everything by hand or with regular paint. So maybe I'll do, like I said, like a pink two-tone as well, because that's the color that she wants. So I mean, like I said, it was cheap, so like I said, probably one of the cheaper, nicer, personalized Christmas gifts you get. So alright, well, so that's my unboxing of the 57 Chevy Bel-Air. I kind of like it's got water slide and peel and stick, so put them on another vehicle, whatever. That's pretty solid. It's for age 10, skill level 3, which I don't ever recall a snap-tite kit being level 3, but I guess it is what it is. So overall, 8 inches in length, 30 parts, probably one of the smaller kits I've ever built. Molded in color, so solid metal axle, so it will roll. So yeah. All right, well, until then, this is Cliff with J Mechanic Scale Modeling, signing off. See ya.